My name is Archibald. I started doing this, can't even recall, long. Since I know myself as a little boy, coming here with my father. And today, we're still here. We do layers, we do broilers, turkey sometimes, but most layers. We have a few broilers right now. We sell at Grenville. We sell at St. George's in the market, well, in the stadium now, and up here.
What are some of the things that you do every day?
Oh, we feed first thing in the morning. We wash the waters, we wipe the eggs, we package it, and that's it. Not much. Sometimes at 3 hours a day, 3 hours a day. Well, like I said, it's something we're doing long, so I see it as a sport or hobby. Coming here, starting my day, then leaving after some other job. I do mechanic as well.
How has your life changed with COVID? Describe the whole experience with COVID-19 for us.
Yeah, the market changed. And normally around this time we have more chickens, but since the COVID, we just rallying with the whole set still. Because the marketing ended.
Are there any particular techniques that you include on your farm here that you want to make mention of?
We take it out, we bag it out. Normally we bag it out. We don't let it get too high. Understand? Well, yeah, this is, we start with broiler starter. In mid-term, in growing them, we go to developer. And until they start laying, we give them developer. And then after that, we give them layer. So this is how the feeding system operates. We tie to the roof. Yeah. The water system operates like this. When it's full, it's lock off. And when it's empty, the water comes through. So it's automatic, no water is wasting. And everything is operating through pipes run to a tank and gravity feeding. So the feed pans and everything is handmade from a guy. We have them tied in the roof. We have automatic waterers as well, tied at the roof. Some of my challenges here are Mongoose. We just have it hard with them because when they come, they go with them young chickens. We had 600 layers, young chickens about a month ago, and we're down to about 75 chickens. 100 broilers, and we're down to about 45 because of mongoose. One of the ways we deal with the mongoose issue is by traps we have set around the building, and we hold them, we burn them like this. Our next challenge we have sometimes is water, because we're running on rainwater. So we depend on the rain most of the time, but it doesn't be such of a big challenge, I may say, because we have pumps and we have tanks.
What advice would you give to someone who wants to get into poultry?
Some of the advice I will give to young farmers or elder than me, starting poultry, especially layers, is try not to start too big.